Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Asana not working on Windows 11 PC. Many users face issues like Asana not loading, freezing, or tasks not updating. And this usually happens because of system settings, browser problems, or network errors. First, restart your PC. A simple restart fixes many Windows 11 glitches. Don't skip this step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Asana needs a stable connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi can cause loading problems. Step 2, clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache can stop Asana from working. Go to browser settings and clear cache for Asana. Step 3, try a different browser. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox work best with Asana. If one browser fails, another may work. Step 4, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or privacy tools may interfere with Asana. Turn them off temporarily and test again. Step 5, update your browser and Windows 11. Outdated versions may cause compatibility issues. Always keep them up to date. Step 6, turn off VPN or proxy. VPNs sometimes block Asana connections. Disable it and reload Asana. Step 7, log out and log back into Asana. This refreshes your session. It often fixes sync and loading issues. Finally, contact Asana support if the issue continues. Share your Windows version, browser, and error details. Support can check deeper account or system problems. So yeah, fixing Asana not working on Windows 11 is about restarting PC, checking internet, clearing cache, switching browsers, disabling extensions, updating software, turning off VPN, and contacting support. Follow these steps and Asana should work smoothly again. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.